When it comes to buying a car, you have two options, new or used. There's several things to consider when buying a gas car that's used, and there are also things to consider when buying a used electric car as well. You don't have to worry so much about the mechanical issues, but the biggest fear with an older electric car is battery degradation. If you're not familiar with what that is, it's basically the idea that the more you use a battery, the less of a full charge it's going to have. So 5 years later, your 100-mile car may only have 80 miles left. That is a major concern and issue, especially with older cars. Buying a used EV is a great way because they are cheaper, especially since EVs are more expensive than gas counterparts. But how is the battery going to hold up? What do you need to think about when buying a used car? We set out to make a documentary all about electric cars, their current state, where they are, where they're going, and owner experiences. There's a ton of awesome stuff in our documentary, which is coming out in just a couple of weeks, but I'm so excited to bring you a deleted scene from that documentary. What we have right here is an interview with Ed Kim. He has a used 2014 Chevy Spark, got it with 30,000 miles on it, and he's going to talk about his process of going to dealerships, picking out the Spark that he got, and all the research that he did. This scene is not in the final movie. It just didn't fit anywhere, but it was such great information that I wanted to share it with you guys. So here it is. Here's our interview with Ed Kim about buying a used electric car.
So buying the Spark EV used with 36,000 miles on it, I believe it was about 3 or 4 years old car when I bought it at the time. Done a lot of casual research through online forums, and it had very reliable history of either the battery capacity, the reliability of the motor, and overall reliability of the vehicle. So I really didn't have any concerns about either battery being degraded or a car not working properly as a used vehicle. I think I'd have more concerns with buying a traditional ICE car with internal combustion engine as a used vehicle than anything else. So one thing I did check was talking to the used car dealerships. I asked them to charge the vehicle and see what the indicated range on a full charge was. So I selected one with higher range. There was a big wide range of the vehicle range showing after full charge, which is more indication of how the vehicle was last driven for the past few months rather than the battery capacity. Again, that's all the research that I picked up. It wasn't much hesitation deciding to get the used Chevy Spark EV.
If you want to see more of this type of content and more information about electric vehicles, be sure to check back. We are so close to finishing the documentary. It is really great. I'm super proud of how it's turning out. It'll be out by the end of December on Amazon and YouTube. I'll be sure to announce it everywhere so you guys know. So this type of content is what you can expect on our final documentary, Electrified, the current state of electric vehicles. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the stuff. It is so good. So thank you so much for watching as always. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.